Hey everyone, this is Matt with TrueBudget. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a petty cash envelope sheet. The way you open a petty cash envelope sheet is slightly different depending on which version of the petty cash log you're using. If you're using the grid version, select the cell that has the number of the envelope you want to use and then press the Open Envelope button. If you're using the linear version, you'll need to type in the envelope number into the envelope column. You must enter a number between 1 and 30, and that's because TrueBudget can only have a maximum of 30 envelope sheets. So I'll enter 1 here, and now I'll press the Open Envelope button. You'll notice that the production company name, and job number are already filled in. This information is taken from the cost summary page. If you've ever filled out a petty cash envelope sheet before, this should look very familiar to you. You fill it out pretty much the same way that you're used to. I'll fill in a few rows very quickly. Now be sure to fill in the line number column for each receipt, because if you don't, it won't calculate the correct amounts in the actual. When you type a number in this column, you'll see that it automatically fills in the right side of the sheet for you. The receipt numbers in the leftmost column can be changed or removed in case you need to do that. The default number of rows is 25, but if you need to add more, you can do so with the Add Rows button. Each sheet can have a maximum of 200 rows. Once you've entered in all your receipts, be sure to enter how much cash the person received in this cell here. When you're finished, you want to press the Send to Log button. That will send the totals from this sheet to the petty cash log. If you aren't quite ready to do that yet, but you want to close the envelope sheet, you can press the Close button. The information you've entered will be saved, but it won't be sent to the log. For the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and send it to the log. On the linear version of the log, you can now see that there's a row for each line number that's listed on the envelope, along with the total of each. On the grid version of the log, you can see the envelope column has been filled in with totals corresponding to each line number on the envelope. And that's how to create a petty cash envelope sheet in TrueBudget.